Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your iPhone charger connected sound.
Charger connected.
Now you can add custom sound. For example, charger connected. When you connect your charger, your iPhone say charger connected. So now we see how to add custom sounds. First, you have to go to your iPhone shortcut app. Then tap on automation. Tap on create personal automation. Now swipe down and tap on charger. Select is connected. Then tap on next. Tap on add action. Now tap search and type speak text. Now tap on speak text. Type here charger connected. Tap on done. Now you can change voice male or female. Tap on forward icon. Tap on voice. Now you can choose which you want to add. Tap on next. Turn off ask before running. Tap on don't ask. Now tap on done. Our charger connected sound is changed.
Charger connected.
This was today's video. If you like the video, so don't forget to leave a like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.